Good morning. Okay, so today we'll solve one more problem on the support. Okay, the problem is given like this. Okay, so an R&D center is there. So it consisting of the following activities, like 7 activities were there. So and they also given the 3 timings according to the these activities. According to the these 7 activities, for these 7 activities they have mentioned the optimistic time, most likely time, and also the pessimistic time. And this is not the problem, like activity is given and the timings were given. So and the thing is what we have to be determine is, first thing is we need to draw the PERT network. So we need to draw the PERT network. It's nothing but we know that, right? So diagram, network diagram we need to construct. So first one is the network diagram we need to construct, and then next they have told to find the, so that is a EST, comma LST, and slack of each event. Second thing is we need to find out the earliest starting time and the latest starting time of each activities, and also the slack of each event. Okay. And the third one is we need to find out the critical path and also the expected project duration. Expected project duration. So that we need to find out. Okay. And one more thing so they have mentioned to find out is, so what is the probability, what is the probability that the will be complete project will be complete project will be complete not more than 3 weeks, not more than 3 weeks later, 3 weeks later than expected. I'll tell you what is that exactly. So but they have mentioned like this. So find the, so what is the probability of the project will be completed not more than 3 weeks later than the expected time or expected, so that is a duration. So these are the things we need to be find out. So first thing is network diagram we need to construct. So activities were given here. According to this we need to be construct. Okay. So activities is like this. Activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G is there. And the preceding activity is given. For A, we are not having any preceding activity. For B and C, A is the preceding activity. For the D, E is the preceding activity. E, C is the preceding activity. For F, A is the preceding activity. For G, D, E, F. So like, so we are having the, so this is a table they have given. According to this, let me draw roughly. Okay, A is the, so beginning activity. So that A is like this, right? So activity A. So activity A is not having producing activity. So that is the beginning activity. So that A is the beginning activity. And next to B and C can start after the completion of A simultaneously. So B can start, C can start. This is B and this is C. And E, activity E has to be start after the completion of C. So C will be complete here, no? So that we can start the E like this. This is E, activity E. Okay. So, but coming to here, F. So, F is the, so producing activity, that is the, for the F activity, A is the producing, so that we can start the activity F after the completion of A only, similar to B and C. Here the activity B, C and F are the simultaneously we can start. So that already we started the B and C, so that we can start like this F, right? So we can start the F like this. Okay. Next, G, activity G. If you want to start the activity G, so the predecessor activities were like this. One more I left. Okay, B, D. So if you want to start the D, B is the predecessor. So that after the completion of B, so I can start the D, right? Right. So now see here. If you want to start the activity G, D, E, F. So D is here, E is here, F is here. So that all the 3 activities are having the, under they have ended the different nodes. So what we can do is we can combine all the, so nodes to a, so only a single, so node gain ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದನ್ನ. So we can end ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I'll show you. So just you eliminate this. So one name mana. So this is F, right? F is here. D na illige join ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. E na illige join ಮಾಡೋಣ. So that the same thing, there will be no changes to that, right? So A is not having any predecessor. B is having A. C is having A. F is having A as a predecessor. So D can start only after the completion of B. Okay, fine. So that is a activity E. E can start only after the completion of C. Everything is perfect. And here we can start the now activity G. So all the D, so that is activities D, E, F. D is here, E is here, F is here. All the three activities are ended at a single node. So that these are the predecessor activity for the activity G. So now at this point, at this node, all the three activities were completed. So that we can start the new activity called as G. Right. So this is the network diagram. So we need to neatly let me write this. Okay. So this is a this is activity A. So this is B. This is C. This is F. So this is D. This is E. And this is G. Okay. So we completed. So completed the network. So let me name the activities. Okay. This is activity A. This is B. This is C. This is F. This is D, E, and G. Right. So let me erase this. So finished it. So before going to write exactly neat diagram, roughly you try like this, because so directly if you go with this, no, so again you need to be scratch. So that it's better to make a rough diagram, so that so when you got the neat network diagram, so one correct network diagram, so that you can make it up. So with the proper, so like a that is the circles and the lines, by using the proper circles and lines you can construct that. Okay. And one more thing is we need to name the, so these activities nodes, we need to so give the nodes, right? So this is node 1, node 2, node 3, and this is node 4, 5, and node 6. So network diagram. So what they are mentioned in the problem is, first thing is, so draw the network diagram. So this is completed, right? Network diagram complete ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? So next thing is we need to find out the EST and LST ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, EST and LST, if you want to calculate, so here go for the network diagram. So what we have to do is draw a construct a box under the each node. ಹೌದಾ, each node ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The first in that one, so there will be two boxes, right? Two columns. So the first column which will represents the earliest starting time of the each activity, and also the latest finishing time of the each activity. So first in the represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ EST ಅಂತ represent ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ, and the next column will be latest finishing time. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ EST and LST ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಓಕೆನಾ? So let me finish everything. So okay. So we know that, so this is in the beginning, so there will be a, so this is the first activity, right? A is the first activity, so that so we can start at the 0th time. So the time may be weeks, or it may be 0th day, 0th time, maybe in terms of time, day, week, month, whatever it may be. So always the first activity will be start at the 0. And here, if you want to construct this, we need a time, right? So construction, we need a time. So in this problem, that directly they have not mentioned the time. So if you want to calculate this, we require a time. So if you want to calculate the time, so you need to go for a, so this table. So they have given the three kinds of the timings. The preceding time, that is a optimistic time, most likely time, and pessimistic time. By using these three columns, we need to calculate the expected time, right? Expected time and we need to be so calculate. So in this, so we are having an activities. Okay, so let me write down the activities. Once again, I'll repeat. Okay, so this is an activities. Optimistic time. Here it is optimistic time. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 5, 8, and this is a optimistic time. Okay, optimistic time, and this is pessimistic time, and this is sorry, this is most likely time. Optimistic time, most likely time, and this is pessimistic time. Okay, let me write down the values. So here it is 6, 8, 10, 12, 18, 24. This is both were 9, and it is 14, 18, 5, 5, 10, 12. So these are the values. Optimistic time together is optimistic time. You know that it is represented by small a, and most likely time is m, and this will be b. And now we need to calculate the so expected, that is the time of the each activity. Activities together activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these for these activity I need to calculate the so we need to calculate the expected time of the each activity. So we are having a formula. We know a formula, right? A plus 4m plus b divided by 6. So this is a formula. So that we need to be used in order to calculate the expected time. So here, so go with the formula. So here, the first one I'll tell you. So A is 4, m is 6. 6 into 4 plus 8 divided by 6. So what is the value? 24 plus 4, 24 plus 32 plus 4, 36. 36 by 6, it will be 6. Like this, we need to simplify. So in the, this is represents the A. This is A is 4 and M is 6 and B is 8. Like this, we need to substitute all the values. Next is 6 plus 4 into 10, 40. 40 plus 6, that is a 46 plus 12, 56, like 58. So 58, but 58 divided by 6 bharat. So that what you'll get some, so like a 58 by 6 bharat. Now the simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get so 29 by 3. So put it as it is 29 by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Similarly, you go with the so values. ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ so 8, 18 into 4 plus 8 plus 24 divided by 6. You will get around 17.33 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, na? So next here 9, 9, all were 9. So 9 into so 4 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 6. So you will get 9 only. Here in this case 10, 14, 18 is there. If you simplify this by using this formula, so you will get 14. So next is 5. In the last column you will get 10. So these are the expected time. Okay. So these are the expected time you will get like this. Okay. So next is variance. We know that sigma square. Sigma square variance will be equal to b minus a divided by 6 whole square. So here the b value is 8. 8 minus 4, it will be 4. So 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is simplify. If you simplify this, you will get 2 by 3. 2 by 3 square, you will get 4 by 9. Similarly, you need to solve everything. So 12 minus 6, you will get 6. 6 divided by 6, you will get 1. 1 square is 1 only. And simplify this. 24 minus 8, so you will get so around 16. 16 minus 6, you will get some fraction if you do that. So if you square that, you will get 7.11 something. Here it is 9 minus 9, it will be 0 only. So again here it is 18 minus 10, 8 by 6 you will get. So 8 by 6 you will get 1 point something. If you square that, you will get 1.77. So again it is 5 minus 5, 0. And last column is, that is 12 minus 8, you will get 4 by 6. 4 by 6 simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ again 2 by 3. If you square that you'll get 4 by 9. So these are the values we'll get. So we require these timings. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಈ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. So these timings are required to construct this in order to LST and EST calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. What is the time A? So A ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸು 6 ಇದೆ. Okay, 6 is a time. Next to B. So in the B, so we're having the value of 29 by 3. Next, so C 17.33, 17.33 here. D, we're having a D 9 is there, 9, 14, 5, 10. That is 19. 9 D equals to the 9. So here it is 9. So here E is 14 and this will be 10. 9, 14, 10. So we got all the duration, right? So now we got the duration, that is expected time to complete the activity. Now we can so complete the EST. EST name find out. So you know the formula. So to calculate the EST of the so next activity, so we need to add the previous EST plus duration. 0 plus 6, you will get 6. Right? So you will get 0 plus 6, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So next here it is 6 is there. 6 plus, so here 6 plus duration. 6 plus duration ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So ಒಂದೇ arrow head ಇದೆ. So that 6 plus 17.33. So what you will get? 20, around 17 plus 6 will get 23. Here the value is 23.33. So here also only one arrowhead is there. So you can simplify this 29 by 3. So what you will get? So around so how much you will get? 19 point, 9 point something you will get. 9.6 something you will get. 9.6 okay, you can simplify this. Okay, 9.6 something you will get. So just to take 9.6. So 9.6 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If you add this 9.6, 6 plus 9.6 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? You will get 15.6. Right, 15.6. Here we need to consider here while we going forward. So we need to consider the arrowhead. We are having here 3 arrowheads were there at this node. So now, so you can calculate 15.6 at this node plus 9. So this is one path, and one more is here it is 6. 6 plus F. What is the value of the F? F is 5. 6 plus 5, you will get 11. So next is one more, 23.33 plus 14. 23.33 plus 14 you will get. So which one is maximum? 24.6. Here it is 11, and here it will be 47.33. Here the maximum is not 43, 33. 23 plus 37. 23 plus 10, 33, 33 plus 2, 37. So here the maximum is among the 3 values, the maximum is 24 is there for the first path, and for the second path 11 is there, and for the third path 37 is there. Maximum we need to choose while we going forward direction. So the maximum is 37. So that I will choose 37.33. And for the last one, we are having only one arrowhead. 37.33 plus 10, you will get 47.33. Okay, so this is how we already know this. We already learned in the CPM, right? CPM problem similar to that, we need to be do that. So now, so we know that at the last every time, so it will be equal to the same thing. So EST of the last node will be equal to the LFT. So that the LFT of this node will be again the 47.33. So again we need to check the tail while going backward direction. Tail check 47.310 is 37.33. Now it is also only one tail is there, that is a 37.33 minus 9. So how much will get? 28.33. So next here 37.33, so minus 14. So how much you will get? Again, it will be 23.33. Next, here we need to consider we are having the three tails. So here the value is 15.6, right? 28.33 is there left. So LFT minus, that is a 9.6. 28 minus 33 minus 9.6. So one value, one path only. So what is the value you need to calculate that? Around it will be, you will get 20, 19 something you will get. Okay. So next is one more is 37.33 minus 5. 37.33 minus 5. And one more is 23.33 minus, so this 17.33, right? 23.33 minus 17.33. So much you need to calculate all these values. So while we're going backward direction, we need to choose the minimum value. So here it is 37.33 minus 5, you will get 32 something, right? Here it will be around 19 point something you will get. Coming to here, this is a less value. 23 minus 17, around you will get, so this 3 plus 3, 6. Around you will get 6. Exactly 6 you will get. Okay, here among the three values, you need to choose the minimum value while you going, so in this direction. So now among the three values, according to the three tails, so the minimum is 6. So I will select the 6. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. So now we completed all the EST and LFT of the activities, right? So that we need to mention in the table. So then what table will mention problem will. So they'll ask you to find out the EST and LST. Right? You need to be so calculate that EST. So LST and one more is LFT. EST, LST and LFT. EST, LST and LFT. So let me identify the EST values. EST birth values note. So EST and LFT, we need to consider the tail. EST will be at the tail. Tail at the value consider. Okay, na? So for the value A, so A at the tail at the 0 EST. So this will be, the value will be 0. And so B, activity B at the 6 is there. Similarly, B ಮತ್ತು C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ because the tail of the B and the tail of the C activity will be at the nodes 2 and the EST is 6. So for the activity, so B and C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 6. Similarly, go with the activities and F also. And for the activity F ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because all are so emerging from the same node. ಒಂದೇ ನೋಡಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ, so that the value will be 6 only. So next for the activity D ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ EST 15.66 ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. So that D ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ activity ಹತ್ರ 15.66 ಇದೆ. So that we need to write. Activity E ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ activity E is here, the tail of the activity is this. Tail ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ EST 23.33. That we need to write here. 23.33. And next activity G. So the activity G. So for the activity G, so this is activity G. The tail is here. The tail of an activity is here. What is the EST here? 37.33. 37.33. Okay, so this is what we required the EST ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. And you know that it's easy to identify the LST ಹೇಗೆ calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? How do you calculate the EST? EST ನಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು tail ಹತ್ರ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿನ ಸೊ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೆಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್, 6 ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 6 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಎಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸೊ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಹತ್ರ, ಬಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಹತ್ರ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿ ಹೆಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 28.33 ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಿ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದು, ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಹಿಯರ್, 23.33. Next, coming to the activity D. D head ಯಾವುದು, so this. For the activity D, F and E, you need to represent. See here, you need to, so like properly you need to check the, so what is the durations here. So what are the networks, how they are connected. For the activity D, E and F, all the 3 activities, they are coming and so merging at the same node. So they are merged node. This is a merged node, right? So all are so coming and joining at this node. So for all the 3 activities, LFT will be same, 37.33. So for the activity D, E and F. So for the activity D, E, F, the same value will be there, 37.33, 37.33 and 37.33. Okay, and for the last activity G. So G here, what is the head here, this is a head. So what is the LFT here, 47.33. This is what we need to be so calculate. And you know that, so LST, right? So this is a LFT be calculate. So LST is very easy to calculate. How you can calculate this? To subtract the duration. So LFT ಒಳಗಡೆ, so in duration ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so these durations 6, that is a 9.66, that is a 9, 14, 17.33, 10. If you subtract that, you will get the, so this LST ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So what is the duration of activity 6? Activity ಏನಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ, ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So I'll write here only. So duration 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ, that is ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is only here 6 ಇದೆ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 6 minus 6 ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ. 6 minus 6 you will get 0. 28, right? 28 minus 33. So this is around, you will get 15.66, right? 15.66 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 15.66. If you subtract this, 28 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15.66 subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get around, so something around 14 something ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 15 and 15. How much you will get? 28.33 minus 29/3. How much you will get? Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Around you'll get 14 point something in a
18.66. 18.66.
18.66. Okay, fine. Again 23.33 minus 17. So around you'll get around 6 point something in a bharat. Okay, na 6 point something you'll get. 37.9. So you'll get 18 point something. Fraction bharat, simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. And 37.14. 37.14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 37.14. So how much you'll get? So 23 something ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 23.33 not 23.66 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Next 37.33 minus 5. So 32.66 another. Next 47.33 minus 10, you will get 37.33. Only these column values are required. Apart from this, we don't want anything. So this table ಬಂದಿರೋ value na, so formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. You can substitute. ನಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we are having 6 minutes. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಸೊ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಆಯಿತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಈಚ್ ನೋಡ್ ದ ಎಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 minus 0 0 6 minus 6 0 28 minus 33 minus 15.66 so how much you'll get 1 4 plus 12 point something okay so that will be the stack value. So next here 23 minus 20 the same is 0 37 minus 37 0 and here also you'll get 0 only this is 28 minus 33 so 15.66 and about that. So you subtract this so you will get around 7 plus 66 so 12.67 okay na 12.67 around. So these are the slack values. Slack andre it is nothing but EST so difference of LFT. Here no difference tagidre what you will get the slack value you will get 0 0 0 0 0 only this value is 12.66. So now we calculated all these things ಎಲ್ಲದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಒಂದು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂದರೆ so which is the path which will give you the maximum value. So I have already calculated this, so this will get, this is because 14 is there, no, this is a maximum value, 14 is maximum, 17 is maximum, so that you will get the critical path in this value. So that is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. 6 plus 17 plus 14 plus 10. 10 plus 14 you will get 24. 24 plus 6 30. 30 plus 17.33 47.33. So this will be the critical path. Critical path ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? So 1 to 2, 2 to 2 to 4.
1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6.
This is a critical path. Critical path ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ನೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 1, 2, ಸೊ 4, 5, 6. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್. Node number 1, node number 2, node number 4, 5 and 6. These are the critical node. These are the critical activity and this is a critical path. Okay, so this is how. So we need to calculate. Matten kelidare expected project duration kelidare. So what is the expected duration, completion of the project antandeli? So this is this only 47. The expected project duration, complete duration will be 47.33 units. If they are given in the days, week kottidre week. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ. In this case they have mentioned, they have not mentioned anything. Weeks. Okay, this is 47.33, not days, these are the weeks. This is the expected time. And the last one is there, one more. So this is the probability of completing the project, so which will not more than the 3 weeks later than the expected time. So what is the expected duration? Just now we calculated, that is 43, right? 47.33. So now the formula ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, Z is equal to so TS minus TE divided by sigma. ಹೌದಾ, ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಎ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸು 4/7, 4/9 ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 0.711 ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇ ಇದು 1.77 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 4.9. ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಯಾವುದು, ಎ, ಸಿ, ಇ, ಜಿ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 4/9, 4/9, 1.7, 7.11 ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ಅದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3.127 ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೇನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3 weeks ಅಂತ, ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 47ಗೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3 weeks ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ 47 ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 3 weeks ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗೇನು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3 weeks ಲೇಟರ್, ಅಂದರೆ 3 week ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ 3 ವಾರ ಲೇಟ್, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 3 ವಾರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದ 47.33 is expected, right? TS ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3 weeks ಲೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 50.33 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 50.70 47 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 50.33 ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ 47.33 is 2 divided by sigma value. So 1.27 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The z value will be equal to, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 0.959 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ for this we need to consider the value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ, 0.97 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. 0.9 ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ 5 ಕಾಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಟ್ 82 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9 ಒಳಗಡೆ 5th ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ 82.889 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 82.89 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು, ಅಂದರೆ 0.82 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 82.89. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತ.